my name's Lindsay, and today we're testing home hacks with Sears Home Services. We're going to test 3 countertop cleaning hacks, so no matter what kind of countertops you have, we've got a hack for you. This hack is using nail polish remover to remove stains from laminate countertops. So laminate countertops are pretty easy to clean anyway, but if you do get a tough stain, we're going to try using some cotton balls and nail polish remover with acetone to see if that works. Alright, so we're just going to put a little bit of nail polish remover on our cotton balls here. It took the stain right off, so this is a good trick, and this one works. This hack is using steel wool to get rid of hard water stains or rings on your quartz countertops. You're going to want to make sure you look for a number 0000 steel wool, and then you can supposedly use that to just buff out hard water stains on your countertops. It's coming right off very easily. The steel wool took everything right off, and that was super quick and easy. It took like 30 seconds, scrubbed right off, so this one works. Next time you're whipping up a cocktail, you can use some of that leftover vodka to make your own homemade granite countertop cleaner. So for this one, all you're going to need is a little vodka, a few drops of dish soap, some water, and you can also add any essential oils you like if you want it to have a citrus smell or anything else you might like. Apparently, the alcohol helps disinfect your countertops and also will leave them sparkling. We're going to shake up our mixture, and then we have a countertop that we've done some baking on, so it's got flour, eggs, all kinds of stuff on it, and we're going to see how it works. It's hard to say how well this one actually worked. Our test isn't super scientific, so we don't really know how many germs it's actually killing, but it took the mess right off the countertop, and it's sparkling and looks great, so it looks like it works. We've tested all of our hacks and picked up some great new tips and tricks to help keep your kitchen clean. Comment down below letting us know which ones you're going to try, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.